tonight, in just over 24 hours, wearing a face mask will be required in public spaces here in Marion County. And for the first time, we're learning more about how it will be enforced. Wish TV's Dan Klein joining us now from the newsroom. And Dan, it will be the health department, not the police department, that will handle complaints.
Yeah, and Phil, one city council member tells me he believes that means the order is more of a political statement or window dressing rather than being enforceable. As we told you last week, masks will become mandatory on Thursday when in public indoor spaces as well as in public outdoor spaces where social distancing is not possible. It will be up to the public health department to handle complaints. A representative there tells me the first goal is to provide education, but violating the public health order can bring a fine up to $1,000. Republican City County Councilor Michael Paul Hart learned today from the mayor's staff that people can report businesses or individuals who are not in compliance to the city's Emergency Operations Center, which will then forward those complaints to the health department. He tells me he thinks those complaints will be difficult to enforce and not effective because there are fewer health department employees than in other departments.
I think it's more of a political thing that says, you know, we want to look like we're going to do the right thing, but in reality, I don't think it's really going to come to much of anything. You know, I think what we should be more focused on is how we can help businesses expand and start reopening.
Now, Councilor Hart says he believes a fine will not be imposed on the first offense, but when one is given, he expects it will start off in the neighborhood of a $50 fine, but that will increase for repeat offenses. He tells me safety for citizens is important, but in the end, they should have the freedom to make their own decisions. Now, I also tried to reach out tonight to Democratic city councilors as well as the health department, but was told no one was available for an interview. Now, we have more from the health department on our website right now. Reporting in the newsroom, Dan Klein, Wish TV, wishtv.com. Be sure to follow us on Facebook.
Dan, thank you. International